Yes. Hey, it's King Jason. I'm at Harrahs Lake Tahoe, and I have $1,050 free play. So let's do a free play challenge. It's been a while. Do you think I can double up? All right, let's start with Lightning Cash, Lightning Link. This is $250 free play. It's Sahara Gold. I'm gonna take a $12.50 bet. More. There's 267 quarters. One more. Yes! We got a bonus. Oh, let's get the 60K. Left, hold and spin. 15 games. Not many camels added. We're up to almost $50. Let's just get like a full screen. A little over 75. We're doing it the hard way. Woo, we're over 100. Last spin. All right. What was that? Like 120? Okay, let's see. Woo! Ah. Two. All right, I think that's a decent place to stop on this one. That's Lightning Link. All right, next game is King Cash. So I have $300 in the game. It won't switch, so I apologize for that. It's $15 bets. All we need is 3 of those King Cashes. Anywhere. That's King Cash. All right, next game is Dancing Drums. I have $200 at the free play in. Let's take some max bets, 880. So we just need those drums. Come on, drums. Oh, just missed by one. I'll take a full screen of Foo Dogs. Ooh, there's a $40 line hit. Oh, it sounded so good. Come on, drums. Uh-oh, last spin. That's Dancing Drums. All right, we're at 88 fortunes. Look at that grand. The major is also pretty nice. Our last chance. So I have $300 free play in. Here's 1760 bets to start anyway. Close that lid. Ooh. $4. Let's bring it down to 880. See if it wants to do something nice for us. Ooh, let's get some of those pretty turtles. Close it. Ooh. Nice, $160. $32. Close it. Look at that little mini lid. Another $32. $15. Oh, almost. Let's close that lid. Oh, those have been pretty. All right, we played through the free play. We have 254. Points are starting to accrue, so we know that. Close it. You want to close once for me. Oh. We want to hear boom, boom, boom. close the lid. All right, last spin. There we go. $720 line hit on 880. Yay! Ooh, that's pretty music. Yay! That's $822. Last spin. Close it. Well, we profited on that one. That's 88 fortunes. All right, we're at Cash Machine where it all started. So we have 1,011 of the 1,050 we started. Let's just do some spins, see what we can do. This is a $10 bet. It was super active yesterday. Woo! 0, 0, 0, 0. Nice, $55. Woo! 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, back to even almost. Oh! Woo! 0, 0, 0, 0. $100. Ting ting. Anything, anything, anything. That was the break even on the free play. Red screen. Ting ting. Oh. Zero, zero. Ting ting. Let's get a red screen. Let's get the zeros. Ooh, ting ting. How about a 5? Oh, there it was. Just not quite. Last spin. Well, hey, we started with 1,050 free play. We're ending with 799. Not a bad conversion. Thanks for joining the $1,050 free play challenge.